Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is gonna be short and sweet, you guys. This is just gonna be a cleaning out my fridge, and this has been much needed, and I'm going to be rearranging the shelving so that it works better for us. And yeah, super quick and easy, short and sweet, but I hope that you guys enjoy and it gives you some sort of motivation to get something done today. So just keep on watching, you guys. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Alright guys, I will say I had some technical difficulties on this video. For some reason, my camera kept stopping. I think maybe there was a shortage of space on it. But I got a couple new organizational things for the refrigerator. I found these unmarked clearance at Dollar General for like $2.25 each. So yeah, I was super excited about that. And yeah, just get everything wiped down, organized, and put back in the fridge. As you can see, I looked up to make sure it was recording, and then boom, it wasn't recording anymore. So what you missed was the kids helped me bring waters and juices to fill up those little containers. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean out the doors. I just wiped everything down, and if it had some gunk on it that needed to be cleaned, then I went ahead and just took it to the sink and washed it with soap and water. So you'll see one of these little things is cracked, and I looked online to go ahead and just like buy replacement ones and more of them, because it only came with like 3 and there's a space for a lot more. These things are like anywhere from like $30 to $60 for these little plastic things that go inside the fridge. Like, that makes no sense to me why one of them would be so expensive. Like, if I'm missing something, if any of y'all know how to get other parts for your refrigerator, please let me know. But there's no way I'm gonna pay $30 to $50 for a clear drawer for the refrigerator. That's just crazy to me. Alright guys, these are the results. It's so much cleaner, so much more organized. Somehow I forgot a spot. I see it. Okay, got it. So, yeah, we always run out of drinks for some reason. That's why we keep a lot of drinks in our refrigerator in our room. But yeah, this is how it came out. I went ahead and moved all the milks and stuff up to the top. I have some coffee in there that I made that I want to make iced coffee with tomorrow morning. This bag of salad we're having with dinner tonight, so it's just kind of randomly sitting there. This shelf has all the waters, juices, and then these meal prep containers have snacks prepped already cut in them. And then yeah, some leftovers in the big tall jars there at the bottom, meat and cheese drawer, and then your veggie drawers. So that's it. It's so much more organized. It's clean. I feel at peace with it. It's been needing to get done for weeks now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if it gave you any kind of motivation, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.